That donut was delicious, Tom. Yeah, I know it. Those donuts were delicious. But I don't exactly remember where we got it from. Oh, Tom, we got it from Dunkin' Donuts. I'm not sure if you remember, but we got it from Dunkin' Donuts. And yeah, it's delicious. I thought we got it from Steak from Shake Farm. Tom, what in the heck are you talking about? We did not get it from the Steak from Shake Farm. What the heck? Okay, yeah, we just got it. We got it from Dunkin' Donuts, okay? I will prove it. I want you to prove it. That we got it from Dunkin' Donuts. Okay. Prove it, Tom. I bet you we did. What the heck, Tom? How the heck did that get there? Oh no, it's just a glitch. Don't even worry about it, it's just a glitch. Okay, Tom, prove it that we got from Dunkin' Donuts. Okay. I told you. Tom, you literally just searched a random name and just tried to prove it that we got it from Dunkin' Donuts. No, Tom, just stop being ridiculous and just prove it. We got it from Dunkin' Donuts. Oh, we got it from Steak from Shake Farm. No, shut up. We did not get it from Steak from Shake Farm, okay? Yeah. Okay, just admit it. Okay, I'm gonna need some air because this is just stupid. I need some air. Wait, don't go away from me, London. Dude, my name is not London. My name is Sarah. Jeez. Oh, sorry, I thought it was just London. How do you get Sarah mixed up with London? How do you get Sarah mixed up with London? Oh my god, you're stupid. I don't even think we can be friends anymore because how stupid you sounded. I'm sorry, but we cannot be friends. Why not? Because all this dramatic crap. And now we're not gonna be my friend anymore. So, I'm just gonna turn around and not talk to you. That's why we're not gonna be friends anymore. Haha. Okay, guys, this was a stupid skit. Don't even like that. This was a stupid skit. So, but I guys want you to shout out to Wow, okay. Wow, okay. I guess that's his name, but shout out to him. Yeah, just shout out to him. And for the skit, this stupid skit, and yeah, bye.